I'm excited. It just got delivered. This might be the last time you ever see this mic, because this just got delivered. So as I go in, I'm going to figure out a few things I love and a few things I don't like about this mic. Alright, let's go check it out. I'm so excited. Try not to cut myself. Hey, this is something else I ordered. What is this? Oh, this is the ink from my friend. Okay. This is the Insta 360 Mic Pro. I've been stalking this on the internet. Let's see what we got. You know what? I never read the directions, so I ain't reading all the stuff on the box. I'll read it later. I'm gonna play with it first. Hopefully I don't break it. Alright, so these were supposed to be in here. Y'all pretend like I had them in here and didn't destroy that box. Alright, we're gonna play that. Ooh, look at these mics. Look at these mics. Can y'all imagine my logo on the front? Alright. That was the first selling feature I wanted. Was my logo on the front there. So I'm gonna change that e-ink display. That's gonna be nice. Alright. And I heard this is like hard to get off. You gotta push it down, I think. If I can get my, let me read the instructions. This says, slide down to remove. So let's try it. Well, I am not removing that. Y'all just pretend like I removed it, and I will do it later. So this mic has, okay, so it's got one here, two mics on there, and a third mic on this side. Yeah, I'm gonna like that a lot. All right, so what's in here? What other goodies we got in here? So we got a manual that hopefully I don't have to read. We got a little case. This case is supposed to charge it, and it's got like a little like shiny coat in it. You see the light shining? That's nice. I'm gonna try not to break it. Hold on. Oh, so there's tape on it. So you take the tape off, then you clip the button. And that's what the inside looks like. Oh. I worked so hard to get that open, and it closed right in my face. So this, this is the wind muff. So these fit on the mic like so. And this is a carrying case. I think it's a carrying case. Let's see. That's what it's supposed to be from the thousands of videos I watched. Alright, so after playing with it, I figured out a few things I like and don't like about it. So here's one thing I love about it, is the shotgun feature. So on the mic, you can actually take it in these different arrays. That's the 3 microphone array. It talks about on the side of the box here, that you can actually set it up to where it picks up like one person here and one person over here, and like blocks out everything around it. Or you can use it as a shotgun mic where it just picks up what's directly in front of you. Yeah. So that's something I actually like about it. Oh yeah, y'all saw the display right here. That's the thumbnail I used last week, and we got it as a display on the microphone. That is lovely. And then this case right here, this is a nice case. My goodness, that case. But then that's the outer case I'm gonna carry. But then this case here. So this case here is the charging case. It's got the little charger in it to plug up. It's got a plug up to a phone It's got the little clip in it because one of the mics has a clip still. And then the other mic, you put the magnet on. They actually can be stored in the case. The magnet and the clip. Something else I love is that this mic system is going to be able to hook up 2 mics to the Insta Luna when it comes out. And I'm definitely getting the Insta Luna. And I'm definitely going to unbox that again. Yeah, these are the best mics for travel so far that I've seen. And then, what else did I say? I said the magnet something. I don't know, I wrote it down, but I can't read my writing. So you're only gonna get 4. And then, okay, a couple things I didn't like. One is that you can only hook up 1 mic at a time to the 360 X5, and that's what I'm recording on now. So that can only hook up 1 at a time. So that's just all right. Price of it, it was $329. That was the same price I paid for the DJI mics when I first got them. I just wanted to be cheaper. I keep paying for them, but I wanted to be cheaper. The earmuffs don't fit into the case like everything else. So you got to put them in this bag separately. So I wish that actually fit. And so that's what I love and that's what I hate about the Insta Luna Mic Pro. It's great for travel. I can't wait to my next cruise and I can play with these mics. All right.